Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this beautiful square motif. As you can see here, the pattern starts here and you can continue until your desired size. And let's get started. For the pattern I use this kind of size of yarn and I use hook number 3. You can start by making magic loops or start by make some slip knot, and then after that we chain 4, then make a circle, slip knot. Now it's time to chain 1. This one consider as a start. After that we are going to make 8 single crochet in the loops. I grab the yarn, let's do it again. As I told you, we are going to make 8 single crochet like that. I'll do that until the end of the row and I'll be back. At the end of row 1, as I told you, we have 8 single crochet. Row 2, start by chain 3. This one considered as the first double crochet. In the same stitch, we continue to make 4 more double crochet. 3, 4 and 5. As you can see here, I have 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the next stitch, what we have to do, we make 1 double crochet, then we chain 2, and in the same stitches we make another double crochet. As I told you, this motif is a square. It means that this one is considered as a first corner. We continue the pattern by make 5 double crochet in the same stitches, like this. Then again repeat by 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet. This is the second corner. We are going to continue until the end of the row and I'll be back. At the end of row 2, as you can see here, I have groups of 5 double crochet and 4 corners. We are going to join the pattern together. From now on, in each rows, the beginning we have to come in the middle of the groups of 5 double crochet. So it means that we are going to do the slip stitches until we come to the third stitch, like that. This row is going to be repeat by make first of all 2 chain. In this part we are going to make 4 more half double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means in total is considered as a 5 half double crochet. Then as you can see here, I have this corner. From now on we are going to make front post double crochet by insert the hook here, make one front post, then in the middle like that we make one double crochet, two chain, one double crochet, and we do the front post in the other side of corner like a V shape, like that. Then again we have another 5 groups. We come in the middle and make 5 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We repeat again in the V shape. 1 front post double crochet, 2 then in the middle 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, and here again 1 front post double crochet, like this. We keep continue until the end of the row. This is the end of row 3. After you join the pattern together, as I told you, you have to come in the middle of the works in these 5 stitches. From now on again we chain 2. In this, the first one, 4 half double crochet, because we need the groups of 5, like this. Then you have to chain 1. As you can see here, in the middle you have 2 stitches. We are going to make a front post double crochet in the first one, then chain 1. As you can see here, again we have another V shape, so we make another half front post double crochet, chain 1, because we are going to increase the pattern. In the middle V shape we make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet again. This is in the middle, chain 1, and repeat 2 front post double crochet with these 2 stitches. So we make 1 here, chain 1 between. You have to make chain 1 between of each of these stitches until the end of the pattern. You need the size. When it comes in the middle like this, we make 5 half double crochet in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now it's time to the corner again. We chain 1. In the first one we make 1 half front post double crochet, chain 1. The next one, chain 1. Now we are in the V shape. We make a V shape by double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, like this. Then chain 1 and the last 2 front post. Chain 1 between, and again in the middle 5 half double crochet. This pattern is going to be repeat until the end of the row, and if you keep continue, as I can you see that here we start by the first, the next row it goes to 2 front posts, the next row is gonna be 3 front posts, and like that 4, 1 2 3 4. As you can see here, for this pattern always the corner you have to make a V shape to increase the job in each corner, and then when it comes to the middle just repeat 5 half double crochet in the middle. Just make sure you make one chain between, and you keep continue like that in each row by increasing the front post double crochet in each rows until you reach your desired size. You can use this pattern for any kind of project you like. I will show you, I make a big one for blanket, and you can also do that. As you can see here, I already started the big one in this pattern. I'm going to make a big blanket like this. Just I already started, and this is really easy and fast pattern to knit. That's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.